Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Honda CR-V radio error codes. Many Honda CR-V owners encounter a radio error message, often displaying code or enter code, after their vehicle's battery has been disconnected or replaced. This is a standard anti-theft security feature designed to protect your audio system. It ensures that only the rightful owner can reactivate the radio, making it unusable if stolen. Don't worry, retrieving and entering this 5-digit code is usually a straightforward process. To get your radio working again, you'll need its unique 5-digit anti-theft code. First, check your owner's manual or look for a small sticker inside your glove box. The code is often printed there. If you can't find it, you can retrieve your radio's serial number from the display. Turn the ignition to auxiliary, then press and hold preset buttons 1 and 6 while turning the radio on. An 8-digit serial number will appear, which you can use with your vehicle's identification number on the Honda website to obtain your specific radio code. With your 5-digit radio code in hand, turn on your vehicle and the radio. When code is displayed, simply use the radio's preset buttons, numbered 1 through 6, to enter each digit. The radio should then unlock and resume normal function. If you see error E, it means too many incorrect codes were entered. To clear this, disconnect your car battery's negative terminal for about 3 minutes or remove the radio fuse for 15 seconds. Then reconnect and try entering the correct code again. Beyond the radio code, other display issues can arise. For a frozen screen, a soft reset often works. Simply press and hold the radio's power button for about 10 seconds until it reboots. If that doesn't help, a more thorough reset involves disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 5 to 10 minutes. Always ensure your fuses are in good condition, especially the one for your infotainment system. If these steps don't resolve your problem, or if your navigation system is also affected, it's best to consult a Honda dealership for professional diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.